Hello friends, and welcome to part 2 of our Kolkata Alipore Zoo road trip. In the last video, we crossed the Belghoria Expressway and Dunlop Rail Bridge, and now we are continuing our journey towards Shyambazar, soaking in the city's charm as we go. In this part, we'll cross through some of the most heritage-rich roads of North Kolkata, passing landmarks like Rabindra Bharati University, Kausipur, Tala Bridge, Lal Mandir, Shovabazar, Chittaranjan Avenue, the iconic Rabindra Bharati Museum, and many more. So sit back, relax, and watch the video till the end to experience the timeless charm of Kolkata unfold before your eyes. On our left is the Shithir More Circus and Mela ground, a place that comes alive during festivals. In winter, you'll sometimes find circuses here, especially during the time of puja. And in summer, this ground hosts vibrant fairs, full of color, food, and happy memories from childhood. Just beside BT Road on the left, we pass by the Rabindra Bharati University, a place where science, arts, literature, and culture all come together. Again, on our left, the Birla Institute of Technology, a well-known college offering diplomas in engineering. It's been a stepping stone for many bright students. On the left side is the Kausipur police station, and right beside it, you'll notice the satellite wireless repeater station, two important landmarks that have been a part of this area structure for years. And here's something special. Another one of the great trigonometrical survey towers, located at Paikpada. Just like the one we saw earlier, this too was built in 1831 under the leadership of Sir George Everest, the same Everest after whom the world's tallest peak is named. These towers, constructed during the British era, were part of a massive survey project used to measure the elevation of several places, including Mount Everest itself. And right across the road, the Log Gate Road begins, stretching into another part of North Kolkata story. We are continuing our drive, heading towards Shyambazar, one of the busiest zones in North Kolkata. On the left, though not visible on camera, stands something iconic, the Tala Water Tank. It's the largest overhead water tank in India, serving Kolkata for over 100 years. Built in 1911, this massive tank holds about 9 million gallons of water and stands 110 feet tall. We are now crossing Hemanta Setu, also known as the Tala Bridge. First opened in 1962, the old structure had to be dismantled in April 2020 due to safety concerns. After nearly 29 months of work, the brand new bridge was reopened to the public on 22nd September 2022. It's now a 4-lane modern structure with pedestrian footpaths on both sides, built by L&T and maintained by the PWD. Just crossed a small bridge over the Circular Canal. A calm moment in this otherwise busy stretch. And here we are, Shyambazar Panch Mathar More, one of the busiest and most iconic 5-point crossings in North Kolkata. This junction connects BT Road, RG Road, Bidhan Soroni and Bhupendra Bose Avenue. Today, we'll take Bhupendra Bose Avenue to head towards Alipore Zoo, hoping for a smooth ride. But in Kolkata, it always depends on the traffic. Just took a left turn and merged onto Jatindra Mohan Avenue. On our right is Jagat Mukherjee Park, famous for its Grand Durga Puja celebrations. The area carries the rich tradition and festive heritage of North Kolkata, something that locals deeply connect with year after year. Just ahead on our right is Lal Mandir, one of the oldest temples in North Kolkata, located right at the corner of Raja Navakrishna Street and Jyotindra Mohan Avenue. To our left is the entrance of Shovabazar Sutanuti metro station. Unlike many modern cities, Kolkata's first metro line runs deep underground, a quiet lifeline beneath the chaos above. While today's metro extensions are mostly overhead, the soul of Kolkata Metro still lives in these deep, dark tunnels, silent, swift, and full of stories. We're now cruising down Chittaranjan Avenue. On both sides, you'll see time-worn buildings, some over 100, even 300 years old. Each wall, each balcony seems to whisper tales of the past, of zamindars, revolutions, love and poetry. This is Kolkata, a city that doesn't erase history. It carries it forward with pride. On our right is the eastern gate of Jorasanko Thakurbari, the ancestral home of the Tagore family. This is where Rabindranath Tagore was born, lived, wrote, and transformed Bengali literature forever. Today, the mansion is part of Rabindra Bharati University and also houses the Rabindra Bharati Museum. It's not just a building, it's a pilgrimage for anyone who loves art, music, and the soul of Bengal. On our left, you'll spot the entrance to Mahatma Gandhi Road metro station. This is another key stop on Kolkata's underground metro line, part of the city's original metro network that's been serving the people silently and efficiently for decades. We are now at the intersection of Central Avenue and Madan Mohan Burman Street. On the right side stands the Panchayat Masjid, a modern landmark with glass architecture and peaceful surroundings. Built in the late 1990s, it became the first air-conditioned mosque in the area, a unique blend of tradition and modernity in the heart of the city. Moving ahead, this is the crossing of Mahatma Gandhi Road and Central Avenue, one of the busiest points in North Central Kolkata. Just on our left is the Muhammad Ali Park, a green and historic landmark in the middle of all the bustle. It's especially famous during Durga Puja, when the whole area lights up with heritage-themed bundles, art installations, and celebrations that reflect the soul of Kolkata. We are now at the crossing of Central Avenue and Maulana Shaukat Ali Street, and from here, we are heading straight towards Central, the gateway to South Kolkata. And with that, we wrap up this part of our journey through the living heritage of North Kolkata. From temples to metro tunnels, from age-old buildings to modern mosques, Kolkata tells its story through every turn. Hope you've enjoyed the ride with me. Until next time, take care. And keep exploring the heartbeat of the streets with RT Dashcam. See you in the next part.